and I shifted from a proper convent boys school to a school where girls 5th standard में स्कर्ट खरीदती थी और वो 10th standard तक चलाती थी. So it just ruined my and I had no like no way of handling how to talk to women, and it was just bizarre कि मतलब कुछ training ही नहीं हुई, and I blamed my parents for like the formative years, the 1 to 4 when I was supposed to get used to being around girls. वो था ही नहीं. 5th standard, boom. Oh, I like girls, but I don't know how to talk to them.
मेरा तो 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक बॉय स्कूल था. 11th में मेरा रिलेशनशिप, आई मूव टू दिल्ली इन 11th कोएड स्कूल, एंड माय रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस बिकेम पोस्टमैन. लाइक वो होते हैं ना जो कार्ड देते हैं दूसरों का.
हाँ.
मैंने 2 साल वो करा है.
Wow. And did you change that like at any point for yourself, or was it straight your marriage then after that?
ये मेरी तो ये अरेंज मैरिज, ठीक है, प्रॉपर अखबार के थ्रू.
What are you saying?
हाँ, खत्री बॉय,
Wow.
26 year old, MBA इंजीनियर प्लस MBA, 5 figure सैलरी, समथिंग शिट लाइक दैट. तो
Wow.
150 कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं ना उसमें कुछ ऐसे. तो आई वाज इवन रिजेक्टेड बाय सोनल, माय वाइफ.
How many people did you reject in the arranged marriage?
It was balanced. I think I got rejected 4 times, and I was, I rejected.
I remember my best friend when she was going through like her proposals, and this one time she met a boy who she said like I'm way out of his league, okay. And then 2 days later he rejected her. So there is like, let me be serious here for a second. It is extremely bad for your self-worth, and a lot of times you might go in thinking, oh, I am like more off or less than, all of that you might think. But then you will get rejected by people who have no business rejecting you.
Yeah, and their parents.
Yes.
If Tinder were to release the number of people who swipe left to you, मतलब तुम्हारा तो पूरा दिन खराब हो जाता है. You're like, इसने कैसे कर दिया swipe left? What the fuck? Like, how the hell did this guy swipe left to me?
I think मेरे रिजेक्शन ज्यादा हुए होंगे, बिकॉज होता क्या है कि एक तो पंजाबी लड़का इंजीनियर MBA इन अ गुड जॉब, तो घर वाले तो कहते तू तो हीरा है.
I'm assuming on the arranged market that's of good value, right? It's not?
And
Yeah, पंजाबी लड़का पढ़ा हुआ is already a very high value, and then MBA तक पढ़ा हुआ is very high.
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे.
मतलब the first 1 year is very tough, because for the first time in your life you're sharing space with one more person. तो वो तुम्हारे बेडरूम में भी एक बंदा है, तुम्हारी अलमारी में भी आधा वो बंदा है, आधा क्या 3/4 है. मतलब
I thought अलमारी में क्यों बैठी है तेरी बीवी?
अरे नहीं यार, जगह सारी आधी हो जाती है. तो और हर एक डिसीजन पहले तुम सिर्फ ले लेते थे, अब क्या है कि सोचना पड़ता है कि दूसरे बंदे को क्या ठीक लगेगा. सेब भी काट रहे हो तो पहले सोचना पड़ता है कि इसको पहले पूछ लो कि तू क्या खाएगी, सेब खाएगी क्या, तूने कीवी खाना है क्या आम खाना है. सो दैट इज द इशू. तो बाहर ठुसाते तुमको, अच्छा रॉयल्टी ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है, बट घर पे काफी द फर्स्ट 1 year इज आई थिंक द टफेस्ट इन मैरिज.
Amit sir, how long have you been married?
18 साल हो जाएंगे इस साल.
Yeah, his marriage is eligible to drive a car. Dude, I remember, like, so the thing is, I've been living with my fiance for over a year now at least. तो वो जो स्पेस वाला प्रॉब्लम है, absolutely agree. वो शादी हो ना हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Oh, we are basically married now, and that's how it is. All the problems that we would have is the same. बैठ के बनिए का जब हम लोग बैठ के ये कर रहे हैं, बजटिंग कर रहे हैं. It's like, this is not what I thought my engaged live-in relationship with. No, but this is what a live-in relationship is. बैठ के यार इस बार डाइट कोक बहुत ज्यादा मंगा दिए. That's a live-in relationship.
Dude, when Hannah and I just moved out, we went for our first, after our wedding, we went for our first grocery shopping. And I was buying Red Bull and yogurt and just everything I could. And she was like, you do realize कि आटे की भी जरूरत होती है, right? And I was like, fuck.
वो तो मम्मी से आता था.
Yeah, I was like, fuck, dude. I called my mom. I was like, Mom, what is the atta shit, dude? I don't know.
This is not a shit.
I'm 23F. My parents are so conservative that they would be angry if I had even received a phone call from a male classmate. ये तो मेरे टाइम की लग रही है. Therefore,
ये तो आप लग रहे हो.
ये झूठ बोल रही है. ये 43F है. 43F है. 23 बोल रही है.
Find about your age and gender.
both. I'm 44. Therefore, I can't tell them about my 26-year-old boyfriend. 2 years ago, he moved to Australia to build a life for us there so that eventually I could move too and we could get married. एक तो बॉयफ्रेंड मुझे हरामी लग रहा है. I thought
ये तो पूरा.
I thought I would go there on the pretext of education. So when I showed my father an inclination to go abroad to study, he started talking to his NRI friends to find me well-settled boys from around the world. बेटा शादी करके फिर आगे पढ़ लेना वहाँ पे. He said I can live my life as a married student in whichever country I want to study. What do I do?
I love how this is how her father is applying for scholarships. He's fine.
हाँ, पहले बोर्डिंग तो निकल जाए कि मतलब रहने वहने का तो मुफ्त में निकल जाए इसका. कॉलेज ट्यूशन तो दे दूंगा मैं. And I love that she's also, it's her fault. She's like, I wanted to go to Australia under the pretext of education. पढ़ना नहीं है इसको.
देखो उसकी यूनिवर्सिटी की चॉइस इस पे बेस्ड होगी कि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड का है. तो क्लियरली यू नो द प्रायोरिटीज.
Wouldn't you want your daughter to tell you कि like पापा मुझे ये लड़के से प्यार है और वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में काम कर रहा है, as opposed to saying पापा मेरे लिए $200,000 की एक कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी ट्यूशन फीस भरो ताकि मैं जाके आपको 2 साल बाद बताऊं कि मैं तो गई थी खाली इससे इश्क लड़ाने.
पापा ₹2 का ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं उस पे, एंड पापा इज ऑल्सो स्लाइटली ओवरबेयरिंग, जो कि पता लग रहा है इस मैसेज से. क्योंकि वो नहीं मतलब लड़कों का कॉल नहीं आने देते, तो इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट अ कूल पापा. मेरे को लग रहा है लड़की ने भी कहीं ना कहीं थ्रू आउट हर स्कूल लाइफ कहीं ना कहीं झूठ बोला होगा, पकड़ी गई होगी. Because whenever there's so many restrictions on you, you obviously go out of the way to like make things happen for yourself.
Saying that she should become an independent woman who's working hard at 23 and collects money by, देख if she gets a regular job, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की टिकट लगती है 60,000 रुपए खरीदने की, वो भी रिटर्न टिकट. अगर ऐसी ही खरीदनी है तो होगा 40, 50, 45 हजार में टिकट मिल जाएगी. So that's like 2 months salary का अगर तू इकट्ठा करके जाएगी.
Escalation करनी है, which is isn't this show relationship advice? Because ये वाली advice मैं भी दे सकती थी. ये Aadar is saying the best things and making all of us look bad.
Which is why, guys, don't worry. In the edit, I will remove the advice that is.
I'll just be silent through the show.
I think I'll tell you what she can do. Let's just call it Suman. Call her Suman क्योंकि सुमन ही होती है जो खुद आजाद ख्यालात की होती है और घर वाले.
Name somebody. Suman and Rajesh. चलो Suman and Rajesh.
So Suman
Rajesh
should do.
Rajesh is the dad, right?
Rajesh could be the dad and Amarnath is the dad. Rajesh is the boy in Australia.
Rajesh is the boy in Australia.
तो सुमन क्या करे? I would suggest ideally एक सुबह 5:30 बजे उठे, नहा धो के व्हाइट कलर का वो पहने सूट और कलर्ड चुन्नी पहन के घंटी लेके मंदिर में बैठे और बजाए. जब उसके पिताजी देखें कि सुबह सुबह बेटी पूजा कर रही है तो वो जाए, फिर वो उसको हाथ रखेंगे पीठ पे तो कहेंगे कितनी अच्छी लग रही है, एंड देन शी विल बी लाइक पिताजी मैं आपसे एक चीज मांगना चाहती हूँ. दिस इज DDLJ 1995 बट आई थिंक इट शुड वर्क इवन नाउ.
पॉइंट पे फरीदा जलाल काजोल के कैरेक्टर को बोलती है कि बेटा मेरे कंगन ले, और वी हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड द डैड इज अ बैड हस्बैंड आल्सो. तो वो अपनी मम्मी को इमोशनली मतलब मैनिपुलेट करके उनके कंगन या ज्वेलरी लेकर वो बेचकर ऑस्ट्रेलिया चली जाए.
I think
I feel she should send a pigeon.
तोला है तो 4-5 तोला, वो तो बिजनेस क्लास जा सकती है अगली.
हाँ.
अमित मुझे नहीं लगता कि सुमन को बिजनेस क्लास जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज खास उसको अभी पता भी नहीं कि वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्या करने वाली है. तो थोड़े उसको
Also, she's not going there on business. It's personal reasons.
Yeah.
सो एक साइड की टिकट, कुछ दिन का होटल का किराया और वापसी की टिकट के पैसे. वापस आने के बेटा पैसे रखो, हमेशा पैसे होने चाहिए जेब में जब भी बाहर जाते हो ना. थोड़े
फोरेक्स तो रखना चाहिए. हाँ.
तो कंगन के साथ थोड़े अगर इयररिंग्स भी मिल जाते हैं मम्मी के, आई थिंक इट विल बी बेटर.
The other thing that the girl can do if the father is genuine is कि अगले 2-3 साल किसी तरह निकाल दे, थका दे कि मुझे इसमें ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, मुझे उसमें वो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, या ये हो गया वो हो गया. Because what happens with Punjabi, you know, these conservative fathers is कि 21 तक होते बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट कि बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं होना चाहिए, लड़के से फोन पे बात नहीं करनी. 22-23 में लड़का देखना शुरू करते हैं. 25 तक जब उनको लड़का नहीं मिलता ना, फिर वो बेटी के पास जाते हैं कि बेटा कोई और है तुम्हारी लाइफ में तो तुम ही बता दो, हम तो ढूंढ नहीं पा रहे. तो ये वहां बस पहुंचने वाला है. 2 साल और है. 25 के बाद उनको होगा कि 3 साल और निकल गए तो ये माँ नहीं बन पाएगी, इसलिए इट इज बेटर टू गेट मैरिड टू हर चॉइस. देखो
I think she should threaten a tubectomy to her dad.
थ्रेटन वाली औकात नहीं है यार.
मेरे को तो लगता है बाप इतना शाड़ा है, वो बोले कि मैं ट्यूबेक्टोमी करा लूंगी, तो बोलेगा हाँ ठीक है जाओ करा लो.
Father's like, काश तुम्हारे होने से पहले मैं भी कर देता tubectomy. And
The
then
father, you know, the father's not going to calm down. What the girl really needs is one blackmail. एक ना उसको, she needs to find a loop in her father's character. इस लड़की को डिटेक्टिव हायर करना चाहिए. इसके लिए वो कैंपेन चला सकती है ऑनलाइन. शी कैन क्राउड सोर्स मनी.
I think the solution is for the crowdsource is taking a phone and going to her dad and be like, पापा आपको ये Black Lives Matters के बारे में क्या बोलना है? And then get your father's video, put it on Twitter and say like मैं इस आदमी के साथ बैठी हूँ.
Yeah.
Please crowdfund my life to Australia.
My husband and I have been married for 24 years. I was using his laptop when I saw an email to renew his membership to a website where you can have affairs. I confronted him about this and he said that he signed up, realized the gravity of the situation and deactivated his membership the next day. Wow. He even showed me the emails for proof. He said that he just keeps getting mails from them because he's still on their mailing list. It's mostly clear to me that my husband didn't do it, but his intention to cheat the same as cheating.
Amit sir.
This is Atul Khatri, like he talks about I am on Tinder for content and not for dating. This is exactly that.
Atul Khatri on Tinder?
Yeah.
Do not tell me. Are you serious?
We got him on that episode with Shrishti and Uruj, and I brought it up. I was like, because you have this joke, are you really on Tinder? And he said, yeah, I told my wife also. So what? Nothing. So what? And I was like, okay.
ज़्यादा सफाई दे रहे हो सर, इतना तो पूछा भी नहीं था मैंने.
Let's just name them first. I think Sumitra and Dilip could be at 50.
Yeah, okay.
Sumitra and Dilip clearly likes to be on websites where you can cheat. And I didn't know that there were websites specifically catering to cheating. Like, I shouldn't be surprised. I don't know why I'm surprised.
Have you not seen that? There's an ashleymadison.com.
You
There's a
have
woman
seen it, Rana, clearly.
I'm sorry, Ronak. I'm not married yet, so I don't feel the need to cheat.
Guys,
it's not reached that.
Guys, I know this since I was 15. It's on every porn site.
Why do you? Okay, I get it now. Okay.
I think intent to cheat is the same as cheating is not. I don't think it's fair because women and men while having sex are imagining somebody else all the time.
But I don't think imagining somebody while having sex is so much as the intent to cheat versus actually signing up to a website that will make sure that you can get in an affair.
See, what I understand is कि या तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठा होगा, किसी ने उसको दिखाया होगा कि ये भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, कि तू फालतू में पैसे क्यों खर्च करता है, ये तो तुम
कॉलोनी में ऐसी घूम में वॉक पे जाएगा, पता चल जाएगा, देखो 5-6 लोग तो ऐसे ही रेडी है.
तो दारू पिए हुए में उसने रजिस्टर कर लिया. अगले दिन सुबह उसको रियलाइज हुआ कि उस पे तो उसने फोटो भी डाल दिए, फेसबुक का प्रोफाइल भी लिंक कर दिया, तो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जा सकती है, इसलिए उसने वो डिलीट कर दिया. ठीक है,
इसलिए मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि हम उसको इतना बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट क्यों दे रहे हैं. वाया
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ हरामी है वो. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ हरामी है.
Like that song जिसमें विवेक ओबरॉय था, वो क्या गाना, दिल दे दिया है जान में दे, where they are going to their wives and really like self-reflecting and feeling bad about their actions.
People don't realize that this song is from the movie Masti. Okay, it's just so weird that this song is from the movie Masti.
The entire song is the three actors going back to their wives and feeling really remorseful about whatever they've done. The entire song is just that, just reflecting on the fact that, you know, like we've been so bad to our wives when the wives are only the ones who laid the set traps where the men could fall.
Wow, dude. I was too young. My parents didn't let me watch the movie. They were like, "Nani adults hai."
No, it was just because ke Vivek Oberoi burns your brain cells, so as children you're not allowed to watch him. That is
Because I was
what
still
happens.
developing.
Yeah, it's like smelling petrol or a permanent marker. You're not allowed to do it as children because you're still developing.
Okay, I want to ask you guys: is buying a knife and not murdering someone intent to murder?
देखो मेरे हिसाब से सुमित्रा को अगले 2 हफ्ते दिलीप का जो है वो बिहेवियर थोड़ा स्टडी करना चाहिए. अगर वो उसके लिए कुछ ज्यादा कर रहा है, इसका मतलब है वो अंदर से ज्यादा गिल्टी है. देयर इज नो बिहेवियर चेंज, देन ही इज नॉट गिल्टी. बट इफ देयर इज अ बिहेवियर चेंज, कह रहे इस बार मैं करवा चौथ पे मैं भी व्रत रखूंगा या ऐसा कुछ कर रहा है, और रात
और उसने unsubscribe बटन भी नहीं दबाया to this spam mail that keeps coming every day for a
अरे
year.
दिलीप 55 साल का है. दिलीप 55 साल का है. टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज वो उतना अच्छा नहीं है. ऐनक नहीं पहनी होती, कई बार वो ऐसे ऐसे करके कर देता है. लाइक दूर रख के कंप्यूटर काम करना पड़ता है.
Maybe he's just doing this to get attention from his wife.
What if he was on the app and none of the women swiped him right? And at that point he was like, यार मेरे affair भी नहीं चल रहे, and that is why he uninstalled it.
ये फिजूल पैसे खर्च हो गए, then he's like, screw
Then
this, yeah.
he was like, I might as well stay with what I have because बाहर तो कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. And then he didn't cheat.
Sumitra should join the website now, right? And she should check.
What are
Sounds like
her
a hot
potentials?
tea, in my opinion. She sounds
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
a hot. Other is
Sumitra goes on Fridays to NCPA and understands what the play is about.
Yeah, like sari and big bindi and like
Yeah.
it's just she's
Yeah.
got it right.
How long are they married? 23 years.
25
Yeah.
25 years.
25.
तो मतलब 2 साल हुए हैं उनके बेटे को इन्फोसिस में, और बेटी फाइनल ईयर में है, तो उसकी कभी भी शादी होने वाली है.
You know what Sumitra can also do? Sumitra can actually gang up with someone from the last question, you know, who also wants to
Australia.
hire a detective, a private detective for her father. And
Yeah, they could share costs.
And if Sumitra is Suman's mom, then we found that blackmail thing that you were talking about.
Yes, this makes absolute sense.
ये बेचो नेटफ्लिक्स को.
girlfriend and I broke up on mutual terms because of our hectic work schedules. ठीक है? तो I think अभी
So it's not a fight, it's work schedule.
मतलब पैंडेमिक में ही मुझे लग रहा है ब्रेकअप हुआ है, क्योंकि this is the truth and it's the version I've told all my friends. Okay, everybody watching, please be with me on this. My best friend called me and told me that she told him that it is because I cheated on her. तो उसको गुस्सा आ गया. He got angry and he told her best friend, उसकी best friend को, that she cheated on me. When my best friend found out about it, he got mad for not first checking with him because apparently it was a prank. Do you think my best friend is right about being angry with me?
Huh?
Oh my god, this is extremely complicated.
ये अब्बास मस्तान की पिक्चर है.
He's not asked about the repercussion of that other conversation. He's still asking for advice on his best friend.
Yes.
Yeah, he doesn't care about the relationship at all.
I love how he said, this is the truth and this is the version I've told my friends. Because he's definitely hiding something, right? You guys don't think so?
So his relationship issue is with his friend rather than ex-girlfriend.
Which is so unique. It's good. He cares about the
Very
relationship
interesting.
with the
I like
friend.
it.
Yeah.
I have a question. He's already told his ex-girlfriend's best friend
Friend के
that
साथ कोई पछड़ा ही नहीं है. Girl, उसको
but he's not concerned about the repercussions of that.
है ना, एक रिलेशनशिप तो पीसफुली मतलब ब्रेकअप होने दो. Let's keep that aside.
Okay, so is what do you guys think? Is the best friend justified in being this angry?
वो डिपेंड करता है उसकी हिस्ट्री पे. हाँ.
हाँ.
मतलब उसकी हिस्ट्री पे डिपेंड करता है कि पहले भी वो ऐसे प्रैंक अगर खेल चुका है तब तो अरे यार तेरे को पता होना चाहिए, मैं तो ऐसे मजाक करता ही रहता हूँ, इज द गाय। बट अगर 15 साल में कभी नहीं करा और एक दिन करा है तो मुझे क्या पता कि तू ये मजाक कर रहा है, मुझे क्या पता, राइट?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर उसका दोस्त स्टैंड अप कॉमिक है तभी ये मजाक लेजिट है, वरना अगर रिलेशनशिप के बाद अगर आपको पहला मजाक ये सूझने का लग रहा है कि योर गर्लफ्रेंड हैज चीटेड ऑन यू, देन ही इज अ सैडिस्ट एंड ही इज अ बिट ऑफ अ बैड फ्रेंड, because you know that you're going through something and the first thing you want to do is prank your friend who is obviously going through major things after his breakup.
But don't you all think that's funny? You all don't find that funny, or I found that.
I honestly think if your best friend is angry at you, यार 10 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा. There's no, like, you don't really need to solve a relationship with your best friend. I don't know why that happens, but with best friends, that's what happens. And if that doesn't happen, then he's not your best friend.
That is the relationship I do share with my dogs.
Yeah.
Question is very
You think the dog told him that his girlfriend told the dog that that is
Yeah, his dog was like, you know those FIFA prediction dogs that have to put their paws on one thing. So he put the paw. He was like, "ये मेरे को cheat किया कि नहीं?" And he put yes or no, and he did yes. So he was like, "बैचो तू ऐसा ही बोल रहा है."
I think he deserves to be angry, and both of them deserve to be angry, and then they should just be like, we're both stupid, and realize that, and then apologize to the two girls who they've probably messed up a relationship with.
मुझे लगता है कि इस बेस्ट फ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड के बीच में कोई एक मीडिएटर है जो अरेंज मैरिजेस में होता है ना, जो एक कंफ्यूजन पैदा करता है.
उनका एक postman है. Find the postman, and you will find what the hell is happening in this.
Maybe his best friend is dating the girl's best friend, and this prank fucked up that relationship, which is why he's. Oh, that's a great angle.
What?
The
Girlfriend is.
we have solved this case, guys.
Wait. What is it?
Okay. You have to
Sherlock
realize.
Holmes हो गया.
So you have to realize this पूरे conversation या इस पूरे हेरा फेरी में 4
Four.
stakeholders हैं.
Two couples.
Two couples.
Couples अभी establish नहीं हुआ, उसके problem से establish हुआ. But what is really happening is that I think the best friend, boy's best friend and the girl's best friend, they are dating, and the girl's best friend basically told him that my best friend thinks that your best friend cheated on her, and इसकी वजह से इन दोनों की लड़ाई हो गई है, तो अब 2 breakups हो गए हैं actually.
Oh.
Because
I
then
think-
the guy broke up with the girl, and then after that, the girl told the guy's best friend that she had broken up with him because he had cheated on her. And then when this guy went and told her best friend that she cheated on him, that jeopardized the relationship of his best friend with her best friend, and that in turn broke off their relationship. And now there's been 2 multiple breakups.
Thank you, guys. This writer's room is working.
स्टोरी है यार, ये अब्बास मस्तान की स्टोरी. It's that kind
Yeah,
of.
Abbas Mastan में one of them died ना recently.
अरे नहीं, जिंदा है.
No.
No, you're confusing
Yeah.
with the musical duo. No.
हाँ,
Yeah.
साजिद वाजिद से कंफ्यूज कर.
Sajid, yeah.
sorry.
Sajid passed away.
But wow, Ronak.
Sorry.
This is so bloody racist.
अरे नहीं यार.
No,
It's
but
not even racist, it's brotherist. I don't know.
so absolutely
Sorry.
ignoring that. अगर आप actually नहीं ये problem, he's right. Amit is actually very very right that it is so Abbas Mastan कि अगर आप ध्यान से सुने ना तो आपको सुनाई दे रहा है इससे सांसों की.
Yeah.
सैफ अली खान है इसमें.
Saif Ali Khan, guarantee. Saif Ali Khan with a beard. Saif Ali Khan with a beard in a suit coming out of a Lamborghini is definitely in this movie.
Love
That's true. So it's Bobby Deol, Saif. No, they were not in the same movie, right?
That was the third installment. Saif Ali Khan was not in.
उसके बाद रेस ने भागना बंद कर दिया. वो पहले तो चले.
Oh. Oh. A wordsmith.
Wow.
Who would be a good cast for this question? That's actually very interesting.
Who would be a good? I think it's Akshay Kumar and John Abraham from Garam Masala and those 3 women, but only 2 of them.
Wow, sorry.
Those 3 women, but only 2 of them.
Yeah. My wife is in the first trimester of our first baby. She suddenly realized that she doesn't want to work at her stable job in the city and wants to move back home with her parents and probably start a new business there. it must be the lockdown and the pregnancy hormones. Huh? Okay, got it.
Okay, this
Got it,
guy's
got it.
already
She's
screwed up
thinking.
this relationship. Okay.
Then he's calling her crazy. That's very funny.
क्या करें कुशा?
Very nice. Call the mother of your child crazy. Chalo.
Let's call this guy Hardik.
Let's call him
Hardik.
Okay.
Okay, done. Hardik.
Okay. Okay. I assured her it's not wise for us to move considering the situation with travel and the security of her job. She said she's going with or without me, and the baby is going with her. What do I do?
Okay, so Palak.
Are we calling him
Palak.
Hardik? Are we calling him
Hardik and
Hardik
Palak.
because Hardik Pandya's wife just got pregnant? Are we calling him that because of this?
हाँ. पर उसकी वाइफ वाला नाम नहीं यूज कर सकते हो, प्रोनाउंस ही नहीं होगा. हाँ.
What you are insinuating, I'm not. So this is on you.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Hardik and Palak, just random Hardik and Palak.
Hardik and Isabella. That's her
Yeah,
name,
it's-
right?
We are not insinuating anything, just a random Hardik. We are not Times of India. Which have you seen this? What happened on Times of India?
Ah.
They basically said a couple from Bangalore or something, and there were two names, and they basically the guy had murdered his wife and shot his mother-in-law. And then shot himself. He murdered the wife and mother-in-law and shot himself. And they decided, ये जो नाम है, they decided to just go on Facebook and look up these names. And they took a photograph of this other couple with the exact same names and published it.
Oh, man.
And the couple had to release a video saying, guys, everything is fine. I have not murdered my wife. This is a legitimate video that the couple had to put out. Everything is fine. So, yeah. Hardik and Palak. Let's talk about Hardik and Palak. Palak is pregnant.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैंने हार्मोन्स देखे हुए हैं. तो ये प्रेगनेंसी में हार्मोन्स होते हैं, बहुत होते हैं. मैं रात को 3 बजे जाके एप्पल जूस लेके आया हूँ उठ के. तो ये हाँ 2002 में गुड़गांव में मैं रात को 3 बजे पेट्रोल पंप से एप्पल जूस वगैरह खरीदा. मेरे को पता है, मैंने हार्मोन्स होते हैं. So
Petrol
and
pump
all of that.
Yeah, exactly. And petrol looks like apple juice and she still had it. That means she trusts you.
कितना महंगा एप्पल जूस होगा. तो बोल रहा है मैं पेट्रोल डालूंगा 70 रुपए लीटर का और बोलूंगा एप्पल जूस है. How stupid is this expense management on Amit's side?
और टेट्रा पैक में भी डालूं उसको है.
भाई साहब टॉप अप कर दो. Sorry. So that
अगर इसने ये नहीं किया ना, बाय चांस से अपनी वाइफ के साथ पलक के साथ मूव कर गया हार्दिक, और बाद में डिलीवरी हो जाएगी, बाद में पैसे नहीं होंगे, एंड देन हिज वाइफ विल बी लाइक, यार उस टाइम मैं तो कुछ भी बोल रही थी, तुम भी सब कुछ मानते ही गए.
Did your wife also tell you that in hindsight I said these things because of hormones and I don't really stand by what I said? Has that happened?
अरे डिलीवरी के टाइम बहुत कुछ बोला है, मेरे को बहुत कुछ सुना है कि तुमने ये करा, तुमने वो करा. एंड
Can you tell us anything? Is there anything you can share?
नहीं बहुत ज्यादा शेयर नहीं करता. हाँ बट
नहीं, this is a clean answer. नहीं.
I have heard things like तुम पैसों के पीछे भागते रहे और मुझे इग्नोर करते रहे and things like. And I was in a job. So there's no way
I have seen some of my best friends and sisters during their pregnancy, and yes, the hormones go a bit haywire, which are very legit. There is science that proves it, which is what she might have.
Also, Russian women have different hormones, I think.
No, science does not support that argument. Russian women do not at all. But no, the thing is that ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ये प्रॉब्लम कुछ सालों से थी, और फिर क्योंकि the hormones are also acting up, that has triggered her.
दूसरा ऑप्शन मेरे ख्याल में ये हो सकता है कि हार्दिक और पलक अभी रहते हैं रोहतक में, एंड सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर के बाद पलक को पता चला है कि ये बेटी है, और हरियाणा में बेटी को डिलीवर नहीं करना चाहती. तो इसलिए उसने तरीका ढूंढा है कि मैं ऐसा कहे कि मैं अपने मम्मा पापा के पास गाजियाबाद जाऊंगी, वहीं डिलीवर करूंगी, वहीं रखूंगी, जब तक वो बेटी गला दबाने लायक नहीं हो जाती, कि रेजिस्ट करने लायक नहीं हो जाती, पहले 7 साल तक वहीं रखूंगी, उसके बाद उसको यहाँ लाऊंगी. So that
मैं उसको पूरा दंगल पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी और बोलूंगी नाउ वी आर रेडी टू गो बैक होम.
अरे प्रेगनेंसी में आदमी पागल हो जाता है यार. मतलब जो मैंने देखा है, घर पे देखा है यार, हाथ पैर सूज जाते हैं, वो फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम जितनी होती हैं, दिमाग खराब
आदमी
हो
की
जाता है
औरत?
उनका, चलना फिर मतलब
और
इंसान
आदमी
के
कैसे रौनक?
इंसान के
You said
इंसान के
आदमी.
basically- अरे
Okay,
in the
you,
tone
okay, you said
basically-
इंसान like आदमी like okay.
हाँ इन दैट सेंस के तो फिजिकली भी हालत इतनी खराब होती है, और लॉकडाउन में तो और ज्यादा दिमाग खराब होगा इंसान का, इट्स वेरी मच गिवन कि
Sure.
होगा, बट यू कांट टेक लॉन्ग टर्म डिसीजंस ऑफ योर लाइफ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस.
हार्दिक थोड़ी सी गैस लाइटिंग तो कर रहा है. हार्दिक इज
Correct.
अप टू नो.
Yeah.
वो पूरा दिन गेम्स खेल रहा है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में उसके पास टाइम है. रात को अपने मेल फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के ऊनो खेल रहा है.
Right.
और कम से कम 6 से 7 बार वीडियो कॉल्स कर रहा है अपने मेल फ्रेंड्स को.
Right.
शायद मैं ये सब इसलिए भी बोल रही हूँ कि शायद मेरा हस्बैंड भी ये सब कर रहा है. अगर मैं इस सिनेरियो में प्रेग्नेंट
Oh shit!
हाँ
Congrats, Kusha!
This is तो Kusha is Palak.
Oh my God, guys, please congratulate Kusha.
अभी गाँव में
Kusha OP in the chat. OP stands for all are happy for pregnancy.
saying कि अगर इस सिनेरियो में मैं प्रेग्नेंट होती and I would have been like, dude, you're being like a real dick right now, and I could really use my parents because they'll understand.
कुशा वाला भी एंगल एक और भी हो सकता है उसके अंदर, कि जैसे वो खेल रहा है तो हो सकता है कि जो पलक है वो लूडो में कंटिन्यूअसली पिछले 1 हफ्ते से हार रही है. That also plays up
उसको
on your
बस
mind.
उसको बस
It gets
होम से
frustrating.
उसको अपने होम से निकलना है, बस दैट इज इट.
हाँ.
उसको अपने निकालने हैं.
और उसको 6 ही नहीं मिल रहा.
उसको सेक्स भी नहीं मिल रहा, उसको सेक्स भी नहीं मिल रहा है. So it's that can be taught to him.
Kusha said that she had this idea for quite some time and now she has decided to do this, right? What if she was like, I want to go and start this business. I'll just wait till I get pregnant. And now I can be like, dude, me and the kid are leaving and getting this job.
Leverage.
ब्लैकमेल
yeah.
के 2 हथियार.
If she played that game, she's playing it very smart. She's not playing Ludo, she's playing chess.
I think Hardik is a bit of a man child, and she does. उसका बच्चा आ रहा है, उसको एक और बच्चा नहीं चाहिए अपनी जिंदगी में. So either Hardik like
Right.
gets act straight and grows the fuck up.
Right.
So such honest advice. I think
All right.
this is factual.
Okay.
चलो अब जनता से ले लें सवाल. हाँ.
Let's ask the questions to the audience before Kusha and her husband fight.
That has raised hand.
Right, right.
जाने दो उसको हार्दिक. Get your act straight, dude. And I'm really talking to you right now. Get your act straight. Stop playing Uno all the fucking time.
Yeah. Stop playing Uno. Start practicing.
This is तो Kusha.
Well,
कुछ अपने पति को बोल दिया ये.
Sparsh is touch, na?
स्पर्श.
Sparsh Sachdeva.
P.A. Sinesh.
Hit us with the question, man.
So first,
शक्ल तो पूरी दिखा दे यार अपनी.
दिखाना.
हाँ.
yeah, I just got bald like 2-3
तूने
weeks
वो
back.
कहा, अच्छा you fell into that कि अच्छा
वही.
चल लॉकडाउन है तो अपने सारे बाल काट देता हूँ.
नहीं आदर, this is lockdown hormones.
Hormones.
I am in Africa currently, and I'm not in lockdown. Like I'm going out for work and all.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
अफ्रीका. वहाँ वैसे ही शाम को 5 बजे के बाद लॉकडाउन हो जाता है, नहीं तो तुम किडनैप हो जाओगे.
यहाँ नहीं होता, यहाँ नहीं होता.
वहाँ पे तो अब तक इबोला चल रहा है.
Okay, guys.
आज मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का बर्थडे है, उसी के साथ मैंने ये रात को प्लान किया था. She is also on another call, so we are having a long distance relationship.
ओह.
But do you have a
I don't
question
have
about
a-
this girlfriend?
No. I don't have a question. She just asked me to raise a hand, and I've seen my luck. I think like I'll never got choose. Yes,
What's her
yes,
name?
she's
Let's
on.
wish her birthday. What's her name?
Anmol Sharma.
Happy birthday,
Hello.
Anmol Sharma.
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Anmol.
Anmol.
And congratulations, Kusha.
I am not pregnant. That is not.
इतना ग्लो कुशा. उसके बगैर क्या?
बहुत ज्यादा.
Foundation
Too much
है.
clothes.
Foundation है.
आपकी लाइटिंग भी अच्छी है, फाउंडेशन भी अच्छा है और ग्लो तो है ही.
ये दिल